Okay, so we're talking about the triangle, right? So we have our square, our rectangle, and then we have the triangle. So it tells us that x equals 4 and that y equals to 3, I think. So let me check. Yes. And then it tells us that dz over dt is equal to 1, and that dx over dt is equal to 3 times dy over dt. So z would be this hypotenuse. So we have to figure out what z is, but so far they give us that z prime is equal to 1 because that's what that means. So that tells us, I'm going to label this as a and this is b, by the way. So this tells us that a is equal to 4 and that a prime is equal to 3 times the derivative of dy over dt. So 3 times b prime actually, because b prime is dy over dt. So in order to get z, it's going to be a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 4 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. So that gives us 25 is equal to c squared square root. C is equal to 5. So our z is equal to 5. So now in order to find what dx over dt is, we have to do the derivative of the Pythagorean theorem, which is 2a prime plus 2b prime equals 2c prime, right? So because a is equal to 3b prime, we can write 2a times a prime plus, it would be 2a times 3b prime plus 2b prime equals 2c prime. So we can just plug in the numbers that we have. So 2 times 4 times 3b prime plus 2 times 3 times b prime equals 2 times 5 times 1. So when we get this, we get 24b prime plus 6b prime equals to 10. So we can factor out the b prime and we get 24 plus 6 equals 10. So our b prime is going to be 10 divided by 24 plus 6, which is 10 over 30. So b prime is actually going to be equal to 1 over 3. But the question is asking for dx of dt. So that gives us 3 times dy over dt is equal to dx over dt. So we just found dt by finding the b prime. So we do 3 times our b prime, which is 1 over 3. So we get that our dx over dt is equal to 1. And that would be the final answer.